Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country chic style farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's have a look. Country chic style farmhouse decor combines rustic charm with a touch of elegance, blending traditional farmhouse elements with chic and refined details. Here are some tips to create a beautiful country chic style farmhouse decor. Incorporate farmhouse signet. Add charming farmhouse signs with words like gather, home, or welcome in vintage-inspired typography. Hang them in the kitchen, entryway, or living room to add a personalized touch. Use chalk paint. Consider using chalk paint on furniture to give it a soft, matte finish. This works particularly well on dressers, cabinets, or small tables, adding a weathered farmhouse look with a touch of chic style. Set up a farmhouse style table setting. Use mismatched vintage plates, messenger glasses, and simple cloth napkins for a charming farmhouse table. Add a small floral arrangement or greenery centerpiece for a finishing touch. Incorporate baskets and storage crates. Use open baskets and wooden crates for storage. They can store blankets, magazines, or kitchen essentials, while adding texture and keeping the space tidy. Add a farmhouse sink. If you are renovating or redecorating your kitchen, consider installing a farmhouse apron front sink. Its classic design enhances the country chic aesthetic. Display family heirlooms. Incorporate meaningful family heirlooms, such as an old clock, a quilt, or a set of antique dishes. These items add a personal touch and tell a story, enhancing the cozy, lived-in feel of your home. Use vintage containers for storage. Repurpose vintage containers like metal tins, enamel or glass jars for storing kitchen essentials, bathroom items, or office supplies. This keeps things organized while adding a charming old-fashioned touch. Introduce subtle floral patterns. Incorporate floral patterns in a subtle, sophisticated way, such as on throw pillows, curtains, or wallpaper. Opt for faded, muted prints in pastel tones to maintain a refined look. Utilize a neutral backdrop. Keep your walls in soft, neutral tones like off-white, beige, or light gray. This creates a charming backdrop that allows your chic farmhouse elements to stand out. Incorporate rustic flooring. If possible, use rustic flooring materials like reclaimed wood, white plank floors, or distressed hardwood. Adding a vintage rug over it can enhance both comfort and style. Add a touch of whimsy with antiques. Look for antique or vintage items with unique whimsical features, such as an old rocking chair, a vintage typewriter, or a collection of antique teapots. These quirky pieces add personality and charm. Decorate with natural materials. Use natural materials like burlap table runners, wicker chairs, or jute rugs. These elements bring in a rustic texture that complements the chic style. Incorporate barn doors. Install sliding barn doors with a distressed finish to add both functionality and farmhouse flair. They can serve as room dividers, closet doors, or pantry covers. Decorate with vintage linens. Decorate with vintage linens such as tablecloths, napkins, or bedspreads to introduce a nostalgic feel. Lace embroidery or crochet details add a delicate, chic touch. Feature an antique fireplace mantle. If you have a fireplace, consider adding an antique mantle for a statement piece. Decorate it with vintage candlesticks, vases, or a mirror to create a charming focal point. Decorate with lace accents. Use lace accents on curtains, tablecloths, or pillow cover to bring a delicate, feminine touch to your farmhouse decor. Create an outdoor connection. Bring the outside in by incorporating natural elements like branches, dried flowers, or pine cones in your decor. A small herb garden or potted plants can enhance the farmhouse feel. Add subtle elegance with mirrors. Use mirrors with antique style frames to reflect light and create an illusion of space. Position them strategically to brighten the room and add a refined touch. Use vintage lighting fixtures. Incorporate vintage or vintage-inspired light fixtures such as sconces, lanterns, or candelabras to add a touch of elegance and complete the country chic look. Decorate with seasonal elements. Swap out decor elements seasonally, such as adding pumpkins and warm-toned accents in the fall, or fresh flowers and pastel hues in the spring to keep your space feeling fresh and vibrant. Focus on functionality with style. Choose decor that is both practical and beautiful, like a rustic coat rack, a vintage bench for the entryway, or a farmhouse-style kitchen island. Functional features that add charm will keep your space looking cohesive and stylish. Feature vintage signet and typography. Look for vintage signs with charming messages, retro advertisements, or old-style typography. Hang them in the kitchen, living room, or hallway to add a nostalgic touch. Incorporate coils and truss. Drape vintage coils or patterned truss over sofas, chairs, or beds. Choose soft, muted colors that complement your color palette for a cozy, layered look. Introduce rustic furniture pieces. Add a farmhouse bench to your dining area, entryway, or porch. Paint it in a distressed finish or with weathered wood. This simple piece adds both function and charm. Create a rustic entryway. Set up a welcoming entryway with a distressed console table, a vintage mirror, a woven basket for shoes, and a wooden coat rack. Add a small vase with fresh flowers or greenery for a finishing touch. Use reclaimed wood accents. Add elements made from reclaimed wood, such as picture frames, wall art, or shelves. The imperfections and weathered finish of reclaimed wood add authenticity and a rustic feel. Opt for farmhouse style clocks. Choose a large wall clock with a rustic or vintage design. Clocks with Roman numerals, distressed wood, or metal finishes fit perfectly into a country chic farmhouse theme. Personalized with handcrafted items. Include handmade items such as knitted blankets, crocheted pillow covers, or hand-painted signs. These crafts add a unique personal touch and enhance the cozy, homemade feel. Thanks for watching the video.